Did you know that humans can see like millions of colors? Millions.
Wait, what? Millions? No way.
Yeah, but today we only need to learn a few, just the important ones.
Oh, thank goodness, because I don't know a million words, Luna.
Me neither, Lucas. Welcome to English Pot Center, everyone.
Yeah, welcome. So, colors. Why is this hard? I just look and see red, right?
Well, yes, but like when you learn English, you forget them.
Oh, true. I always forget.
Exactly. You want to say the car is red, but you say the car is apple.
The car is awful. I do that. Literally, I do that.
Right? So let's make it super easy today. Just the basic colors.
Okay, I'm ready. What's first?
Let's start with red.
Red. R-E-D.
Yes, red is, very strong, very hot.
Like fire?
Exactly. Fire is red. What else?
Apples? Well, some apples.
Yes, red apples. And a stop sign.
Oh, a stop sign. You see red, you stop.
Perfect. Next color? Blue.
Blue. I like blue.
Blue is nice. It is very calm, quiet.
Like water.
Yes, the ocean is blue. The sky is.
Blue. Wait, the sky is blue. Okay, easy.
See, you got it. But wait, what if you mix red and blue?
Oh no, mixing? You said simple.
It is simple. Just think. Red and blue make
Black? No, wait.
purple.
Purple. Right. Like a grape?
Yes, a purple grape.
Okay. Red is fire. Blue is sky. Purple is a grape.
You got it. Now what about yellow?
Yellow. The sun.
Yes, the sun is yellow. Very bright, very happy.
Happy? Colors are happy?
Yeah, think about it. Yellow is like a big smile.
Oh, like a banana. Bananas make me happy.
Okay, Lucas. A happy yellow banana.
I'm hungry now.
Well, don't eat the yellow banana yet. We have more colors.
Okay, what's next?
Green.
Green. Green is trees?
Exactly. Trees, grass, plants are green.
So yellow sun and green trees.
Yes. And what happens if you mix them?
Mix yellow and green.
Wait, no, sorry, I messed up. Mix yellow and blue.
Oh, see, you confused me. Mix yellow and blue.
It makes green.
Oh, now I get it. Yellow sun, blue sky makes green grass.
Wow, that is a really good way to remember it.
I know, right? I'm smart sometimes.
Yes, you are. So we have red, blue, yellow, green.
And purple. Don't forget the happy grape.
Right, the purple grape. So these are the basic colors.
Okay, but why about black and white? Are they colors?
Ooh, that is a really big question, Lucas.
Really? I mean, like white paper, black pen. Are they colors?
Well, it depends. If we talk about light, white is all the colors together.
Wait, what? White is all colors? No way.
Yes. Like, if you mix all light together, you get white light.
But if I mix all my paints, Luna, it turns black or like dirty brown.
Exactly. Paint is different. With paint, black is all colors mixed.
Oh, so light white is all colors. Paint black is all colors.
Yes, you got it. It's, a little crazy.
That is super crazy. My brain hurts a little.
It's okay. Let's make it easier. Let's talk about feelings.
Feelings? Like happy and sad?
Yes. Colors make us feel things. Like, what do you feel when you see red?
Hungry?
Hungry? Why hungry?
I don't know. Fast food restaurants are always red. Burgers, fries.
Oh, wow. You are so right. Red makes us want to eat. And it also means stop.
Right. Red stop sign, red tomato.
What about blue? How does blue feel?
Blue is, cold or calm, like the sky or water.
Yes, blue is very calm. It is like a quiet room.
I like that. Yellow is the happy sun. Blue is the calm water.
And green? What does green mean?
Trees, nature, bugs. I hate bugs.
Okay, not the bugs. But yes, nature. Green feels healthy.
So if I want to eat a salad, I want a green salad, not a blue salad.
Ooh, yes, a blue salad sounds very, very bad.
Actually, are there any blue foods?
Blueberries?
But they are purple. The happy grapes are purple, and blueberries are kind of purple too.
Wait, you are blowing my mind right now, Lucas. They are purple.
See? I am smart.
Okay. Blue food is very rare.
So we have warm colors and cold colors.
Yes, red, yellow, orange, they are warm, like fire.
And blue, green, purple, they are cold, like ice.
Perfect. Now, I have a quick game for you.
Oh, I love games. Am I going to win?
Maybe? Look around the room right now.
Okay, I am looking.
Find 3 things that are red. Go.
My shirt, my coffee cup, and your pen.
Great job. See? Colors are everywhere.
That was fun. Everyone listening should try that.
Yes, if you are listening, find 3 blue things right now.
Don't crash your car if you're driving. Just look quickly.
Yes, please be safe. Just use your eyes.
Colors really make the world, not boring.
Very true. Imagine a world with only black and white.
Like an old TV show. Very sad.
So true. Before we finish, I have a question for you, Lucas.
Hit me.
What is your absolute favorite color?
Oh, easy. Neon green, like super bright green. You, Luna?
Yellow, because it is happy, just like our English lessons.
Nice. Hey, what about you guys listening? What is your favorite color?
Yes, tell us in the comments. We want to know.
And hey, if you liked learning about colors today, hit that subscribe button.
Yes, join us here at English Pod Center for more fun English practice.
See you next time, guys. Keep looking at those colors.